To make your cerebellum, you will need to roll out a small piece of the bone clay, the white clay, and then you're going to create the structure by cutting and layering strips of this skinny clay. Until it represents kind of a ball of yarn. And then you're going to insert that inferior to the occipital lobe and just about a quarter way under the temporal lobe. We will now use the bone-colored clay to construct our brainstem, which is made up of the pons, the midbrain, and the medulla oblongata. Roll out another strand of bone-colored clay and loop it over so that it's about overlapping about a half of an inch. And then blend this together so that it makes an apostrophe shape. Pons sets in front of or anterior to the cerebellum and under or inferior to the temporal lobe. Notice that a piece of it extends down and towards the back of the spinal column, and this is your medulla oblongata. We will now construct the spinal cord for your mannequin out of a foot-long piece of skinny bone-colored clay rolled out into a rope. And you're going to insert that at the base of the medulla oblongata. And remember that the medulla oblongata extends down to the second cervical vertebrae on your mannequin. So you're going to attach the spinal cord there at the base of the medulla oblongata, and it's going to run along this cavity, the dorsal cavity. You'll have to press it firmly into that cavity so that your clay sticks. And continue to extend your spinal cord all the way down to the first lumbar vertebrae. That's as far down as your spinal cord should extend. Take a second strand of the bone-colored clay, about a foot long, and attach it anterior to the first strand, beginning at the base of the medulla oblongata again. And again ending at the L1 or lumbar, first lumbar vertebra. So you have two strands making up your spinal cord